Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 10 Tab Max, and today I will show you how you can wipe cache partition on this tablet. So to get started, hold power key and select power off. And once the tablet turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. After a moment of holding it, you should see TCL logo on a screen. Once you do, keep holding for additional 3 seconds and then let go. Now if it disappears before you let go, start holding it again. The device did reboot for me, so I did press them again. So anyway, once you're in the recovery mode, you will need to use the volume keys to navigate up and down. And using those keys, you want to select wipe cache partition and then confirm it with power key. Select yes. Now at the bottom you do have wiping cache, and then last thing you should see under that sticker is cache wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power key once again to initiate the reboot and just go back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.